guys, Caitlin and Mike here from Mechanics of Music. We have another Christmas play-along song for you, and this one is called Let It Snow. If you have the Daily Ukulele book, this one's on page 307 if you want to play along with the melody. Otherwise, download the tab that is in the description. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbye. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
I would love some snow in Vancouver.